Every single breath you just took contains atoms that were once inside a dinosaur's butt. And I'm not being poetic. I mean literal, physical carbon atoms that passed through a 40-ton Brachiosaurus digestive system, got pooped out 150 million years ago, drifted around the planet, and are now sitting in your lungs. Welcome to science. It's disgusting and beautiful. Okay, before you click off and call me a liar, let's rewind for a second. One single breath, just a normal inhale, contains about 10 sextillion molecules. That's a 1 with 22 zeros. To put that in perspective, there are more molecules in your lungs right now than there are stars in the observable universe. And here's the thing. Those molecules have been everywhere. Every volcano, every ocean, every dinosaur bathroom break. The atmosphere isn't static. It's a chaotic soup that's been mixing for 4.5 billion years. A molecule released in the Jurassic period doesn't stay in one place. Wind, storms, diffusion, jet streams. It's been on a non-stop world tour. Every breath you take is a remix of every breath that ever existed, including, and I really want to emphasize this, dinosaur farts. Now you might be thinking, okay, sure, air mixes, but prove the dinosaur part. Fair. Let's talk about carbon. Dinosaurs, just like you, me, and that one neighbor who waters his lawn at 3 a.m., were made of carbon. A lot of it. When a dinosaur pooped, and with a 30-meter-long Argentinosaurus, we're talking about a lot. That waste didn't just disappear. Bacteria broke it down. It turned into carbon dioxide, methane, and other gases, which rose into the atmosphere. And there were a lot of dinosaurs. For around 165 million years, they dominated every continent. Scientists estimate their total biomass was in the billions of tons. And all of that, their muscles, bones, bad decisions, and yes, their poop, was constantly cycling carbon through the planet. When they breathed, died, or did what we've been discussing, that carbon entered the air, the soil, and the oceans. And some of it is still in the air today. Now here's where it gets interesting. No calculus, I promise. The atmosphere contains about 5 quintillion kilograms of air. That's huge, but there have been so many breaths taken on this planet, and so many molecules recycled, that statisticians have done the math. The probability that at least one molecule in your current breath was once inside a dinosaur, basically 100%. In fact, it's not just one, it's probably millions. You're not just breathing dinosaur poop, you're breathing dinosaur everything. Dinosaur breath, dinosaur sweat, dinosaur, you get the idea. But wait, it gets weirder because it's not just dinosaurs. That same math applies to everything. You're breathing air that was inside Julius Caesar's lungs when he was stabbed. You're breathing oxygen that once powered William Shakespeare's brain while he was writing. You're literally sharing atoms with Genghis Khan, Cleopatra, and some random guy in 1847 who invented the rubber band and was probably very proud of it. Carbon doesn't care about time, borders, or status. The carbon in your body has been a tree, a rock, a cloud, a T-Rex kidney stone, and a medieval peasant's lunch. It's been everywhere, done everything, and now it's temporarily you. You're just the latest Airbnb guest for atoms that have seen some things, some very weird things. So the next time someone tells you to get your head out of the clouds, remind them those clouds contain literal dinosaur farts. And the next time you feel insignificant, remember, you're breathing the same atoms that powered the most powerful creatures to ever walk the earth. Chemically speaking, you're part dinosaur poop. And honestly, that's kind of beautiful. Well, second most beautiful, because statistically, you're also breathing air that was once inside Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart's nose. But that's a story for another day. If you enjoyed being emotionally traumatized by atmospheric chemistry, like and subscribe. I make science weird, funny, and slightly cursed. Also, go ahead, take a deep breath. You just inhaled at least a few Tyrannosaurus Rex molecules. You're welcome. Or, I'm sorry, I'm not entirely sure which.